There I was, back in the wild again. I felt right at home, where I belong. I had that feeling coming over me again, just like it happened so many times before. Yeah. The spirit of the woods is like an old good friend, makes me feel warm and bitter inside. And I knew his name, and it was good to see him again, 'cause in the wind he's still alive. Oh, Fred Bear, walk with me down the trails again. Take me back where I belong. Oh, Fred Bear, I'm glad to have you at my side, my friend. And I'll join you if nothing comes before too long. Before too long. Another misty dusk came from a tangle down below, and I tried to remember everything you taught me so well.